Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super fun product that I have tried recently and I've recorded my footages while I was trying it, so it's going to be like a fun video for you to watch. So I have tried this Curl Up Curl Defining Cream, which is for frizzy, wavy and curly hair. Now before we actually get into what this product is, what it does, how to use it and how I felt about it, my experience and everything, I want to quickly tell you that I have had straight hair for 6 years now, like past 6 years. I had gotten smoothening done twice. So I think first time was in 2016 and then in 2018 I guess. So for the past 6 years I have had straight hair जो मेरे naturally नहीं थे. So I have finally grown my hair and I've kept cutting the straight hair from the ends so that I finally can grow my natural hair to the length that I would like to, and it took like a lot of time, but finally we are here. So I think I'm happy with my hair now. They are completely natural. I have my waves, my little curls back. And I also wanted to mention this because I have posted a lot of hair related videos also जिसमें clearly मेरे बाल काफी straight लग रहे हैं, but वो सारा smoothing था basically. Now that I have my natural hair back, I was actually very intrigued to try these curl defining creams and I'd looked for a lot of creams, but मुझे जो सबसे affordable और जो सबसे अच्छा option लगा मैंने वो choose किया because I actually wanted L'Oreal but it wasn't available on Nykaa then, so I just picked the second best option. Of course मैंने इसके reviews देखे थे लेने से पहले. And other things that I considered was that this is cruelty free. They say that there are no harmful chemicals. This is dermatologically tested. It has natural oils and extracts, not tested on animals like I said, and also the pricing as compared to other products was also decent. So I'm not going to get into a lot of other factors like I do in my other videos, like packaging, how the product feels, the ingredients and everything. I'm not going to get into that because honestly I'm not too much into hair care products. However, I will talk what this product claims. So it says that it is for frizzy, wavy and curly hair. It has argan oil and flax seeds extract. It helps reduce frizz, define and add shine to the curly hair. Okay, so basically there are three main ingredients that this product talks about that it has. So there's argan oil, flax seeds extract and shea butter. So overall all of these three things help with the moisture. It also says that flax seeds extracts defines and accentuates curls and minimizes frizz. So the brand is called Curl Up and it is also sulfate, paraben and silicone free. So good things, right? And I was very excited to try this. I did on the camera for you to see, okay? And just for your information, my curls are not like 3A, 3B curls or more than that. So these are like 2A, 2B, 2C curls. I have like waves and then small curls, okay? So I'm gonna like post like a picture on the screen as a reference picture for you to understand what are 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B curls, okay? So I followed all the instructions that were written on the packaging, and it says that you have to apply this after shampooing and conditioning. You have to section your hair and evenly apply the cream on very wet hair, okay? You do not have to touch your hair while drying to prevent frizz. Once fully dried, gently scrunch the curls to soften the cast. For best results, they say that you have to use it with other curler products. Okay, so I did not use it with other curler products. I did do, however, condition my hair after shampooing and then like you saw, I applied it on really wet hair. So there are three things I would like to mention now for my hair. It did look kind of wet. It did not look completely dried up how my otherwise dried up hair would look. So I'm going to also show you my hair after shampooing and conditioning and air drying, but I did not use this product. So usually how my hair is after shampooing and conditioning versus with this product. So you can clearly see the difference on your screen. I feel it is quite visible. However, I feel that my hair did get a little stiff from the ends, but I did notice a difference in the frizz, and that mainly happened because I think the product did a really good job in holding up the curls very well. But I would also like to mention that I have used this curling cream before also once before filming this video. I did notice that after second or third day my hair felt really dry. Okay, so if you're using this, make sure that you do oil up your hair before shampooing. So you shampoo your oily hair and then condition it very well comb it then and then you apply this cream. Maybe that will help with the dryness. However, I want you to know that my scalp is extremely dry and my hair doesn't really produce a lot of oil on its own in 3-4 days also. But I think I liked the product. It did a good job. It was decent. My hair felt a lot proper, and of course I can style my hair in a lot of different ways just after using this product. So I do not really need to always use heat or straighteners or curlers or whatever. And by the way, I do use straightener on my hair very frequently. So I think with this I am protecting my hair from heat, because I'm gonna use it whenever I want to go out and not really style my hair using a straightener. So this is a good option if you have baby or curly hair. Even if you have 3A 3B curls, I think this will be a good option for you. I overall really like the experience of this product. Also, just for you to know, this is my hair in the evening. It's still very put together, I feel, and I really like the volume that it has given me and prevented the frizz. And I'm not gonna deny that my hair does feel a bit stiff in the ends, and also it will get dry. Yeah, and I haven't combed my hair, so make sure you don't really comb your hair after you're done setting your curls, because then your curls will open up and maybe the frizz will come back. So yeah, that is one thing. Anyway, I think that is all for the video. I have covered everything that I had to. This was a pretty short video, but I think this was helpful for you, and I hope you had fun watching this one. If you did, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done it, and I will see you super soon. Take care, cheers, stay safe, and bye.